Hey everyone, pretty excited for this weekend's adventure. So we're heading down to one of my favorite spots in Indiana to fish. We're heading down to Crawfordsville, which is central Indiana. We're heading to a good little stretch of Sugar Creek down there. What's cool about this spot is it's a smallmouth conservatory, so realistically you're not even really allowed to keep, you're allowed to keep one, and it has to be over 20 inches, which, you know, for a smallmouth is pretty large. So we're shooting down 65 right now, and hopefully gonna get there within the next hour and a half and try to get on some smallmouth. There's other things in there. There's all kinds of river suckers, and I've seen some big flathead catfish. I've seen big largemouth in there, but you know, hopefully we can get some. This will be the earliest I've ever been down there. The earliest before this year was in June. Today it's May 10th, I believe, May 7th. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Hopefully we can get into a big one. I know there's big ones down there. I've seen them. I just haven't been able to hook them or keep them on the hook. So stay tuned. Probably gonna have a lot of footage for the weekend. I may put it all together. I may split it up in multiple videos. We'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can get into some big ones. Hey, do you need an axe? Huh? There's a 3-foot long handled axe in the water right here. Here. It's getting a little shallower right there.
Through here to there, there's spots where it looks like mountains, like full rock bottom. Right?
Yeah.
It's all like a ledge.
Oh, I missed him. I think I'm getting small ones. Got one. Got one. Smallmouth, little guy. There we go. Yep, little smallmouth. First smallmouth of the send right there on the Sakoshi. See if we can get one more in that spot. I got a nice little hole right there. Got one. That's a better one. Yep. Still kind of small, but better than the last one. Oh yeah. They're eating like crazy. This guy's belly is huge. Fat little guy. So all I'm throwing on the Sakoshi is a little Finestrums jig head, or with the Sakoshi. And I've got a Fluger President 30. and a 6.6 Quantum Graphics medium light. And this is a 2-piece in case you want to hike with it. I do like the 2-piece rods. I've got 8-pound test trilene on here, which isn't very stout, but it does the trick for a lot of these smaller fish. And look at the way he's just spinning in here. That's a rock bass. Thanks, buddy. And that's it. There you go. Taking for a ride. Smallie? Sweet. The earlier in the spring you are, the better chance you are have a big smallmouth. Because once the summer they get so dispersed. Are they? Not down here. Where this log's at, there's a big collection of all these whirlybirds. And they're like sitting right underneath all the whirlybirds watching for stuff to fall out of the tree. So all I do is land right at the edge of it. And they come out from underneath and grab it. I'm gonna catch one of these small ones, see what they are. He's putting some drag in. Huh? He's doing some drag. That's bigger than I thought. Yeah, but I thought he was tiny. That's not a bad one. Fall hard, dark colored. Wow. I'll let you know when I catch a 3-pounder. Swimming right at me. Green sunfish. Don't spine me, buddy. Little green sunfish there. God, look at those colors. Beautiful little fish. Hopefully that's not poop. That's not where you were living, buddy. Oh, he figured it out. Looks like he's making his way over here. I'll leave some of those fish right on the edge for him then. Or not. All those birds' nests up there. I don't know if you can even see those on the GoPro, but there's a ton. Probably swallow nests up along that bottom part of the bridge. Probably hear them. Make sure I don't hit them with my line. That'd be a nightmare. Another tap-tap. Probably another rock bass or greenie. Missed that one again. That's a smallmouth. That's a better fish. No, not even a smallmouth. Healthy rock bass. Stop flipping, buddy. Look at the way he took that net rig. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm gonna get you unhooked, buddy. There you go. Wow, that is ridiculous. I think we're about to change up to a bigger size and try to weed through. I really thought that one was a smallmouth. Get a lot of little taps. Please be a smallmouth. Doesn't feel like one. You're not what I'm looking for, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? You gonna swim away? You gonna swim away? No? Oh my goodness. Come on, buddy. Come on. Move on. Come on. That's amazing. Holy crap. Ooh. Ooh. That's not a rock bass. Ooh. That's not a rock bass. That's good, whatever it is. He's digging. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. I haven't seen him yet. That's a good fish. Holy cow. I didn't even know he was on. I didn't even know he was on. He didn't know he was on either. Now he does. Holy cow. Might be a largemouth. No, that's a smallmouth. That's a good smallmouth. That's a 2 at least. Swallowed it. Holy cow. That's a good smallmouth right there. Here it goes. Oh, he's feisty. Yeah, he'll be all right. You going, buddy? Nice. Yes. These waders just heavy, thick. Boots hold a lot of water. Gotta be one sitting over there, right? There he is. Told you. Another little fry. Feisty. Apparently I wasn't recording, but I found a nice little Rapala. Or actually a storm, whatever. Little baby shad lure. And a bunch of line up in the tree, so we went ahead and cleaned that up. I think anybody that fishes has to be a little bit of a believer in karma. A lot of fishing is just luck, right? So who knows, maybe cleaning that up will be my good karma, give me another big smallmouth. Got one. It was a fish. It was a fish. Another one. Once summer comes, these guys are all over in here, but just look how beautiful that fish is. Gorgeous. Those colors, the orange fins, spots, just beautiful little fish. That's a good fish. Holy crap, that's a good fish. Barely had any bites all day, and then I missed one of the best ones of the trip. Unbelievable.